It's rush time right here. I keep going straight.
Yes, if you're going straight, you're gonna take there. This is the rush time in Manaus, and the big city in the Amazon rainforest.
Let me let some of these right here past me.
Okay.
Pick up this lane. Let some of these right here past me.
More than 3 million people living on here. Oh, you have to take another lane. This is Manaus, Amazon. Be careful. Oops. A red signal.
Let's see. All the bikes. The bikes go up to the bike lane.
Yeah, some people don't have respect for the laws. The motorcycle drivers are crazy on here. You all can see we have a lot of trees. The paisage is different from another place.
They all want to rush. They all want to rush.
We're gonna take the interstate to go back home, and we come here today to take some delivery we buy online, and we fixed our car. Buy a piece to my uncle's car. It's broken.
You explain. This right here is the bus.
Yeah, this is the bus line.
The bus line.
It's the ambulance. Here the health service is free, the ambulance is free, and they already give you the medicine you need for free. Yeah, this is the bus line. The line we be in here is the bus line, the fast line.
I'm not driving too fast.
Yes. And we go for this road to take the interstate and go back home. We get out home today at 6:30, no, baby?
Hey, this morning.
Yeah, this morning we get out at 6:30 a.m. And now is the time we have a big truck on here.
Yeah. I'll get over.
Yeah, you get over on the
I got
line.
over.
Yeah.
You'll get your lane.
Okay. The truck drivers here don't have so much patience. They want to speed. So we have to have a lot of patience with them and let them go over ours. So we see yours a like. Bye bye.
Bye bye.